Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a clear target, competition or public dataset and its metric. Once chosen, fork the dataset or create a new notebook so you have a working copy. Next, set kernel resources, CPU or GPU, based on model needs, and create a README that states the objective, baseline model, and evaluation plan. This gives you a concrete starting point. Start coding a minimal pipeline immediately to verify data access and end-to-end execution before adding complexity. Now build a robust pipeline. First, run exploratory data analysis to spot distributions, outliers, missing data, and any target leakage. Once done, implement cleaning and feature engineering inside reusable pipelines and choose validation folds matching the problem structure. Make sure to set reproducible seeds. Train a simple baseline to confirm the pipeline, then iterate. Tune hyperparameters, add regularization, and experiment with ensembles. Use clear experiment tracking and notebook checkpoints so you can compare results and revert confidently. Finish by producing final model artifacts and generating predictions in the required submission format. Validate headers and ordering match sample submission. Then document your methods, version code, and publish a clean notebook or script with inference instructions so others can reproduce your work. Once submitted, monitor the leaderboard and be ready to iterate. If things go wrong, check for data leakage, mismatched validation versus test distributions, or preprocessing differences between training and inference. Those are the most common causes of failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.